In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to assign a video in Edpuzzle. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and make sure you are using a teacher account. And then go to the left side area of the navigation dashboard and click the My Content because this is where all your saved and edited videos are stored. Okay, so right now I have two videos and I'm going to choose the second video which I wanted to assign to a specific people, to a class. It's up to you. Now for you to be able to assign it, you see there is like an arrow button. You can assign this video to a class and I will give you the option to click on it because you have more control. Now, you can add more instructions along the way if you wanted. For example, let's say this is for an answer ASAP video. Okay, you can add in an image if you want. You can drag your image here to make it more engaging for your student or for your class. Once you've done that, you can also add activities before you assign. Okay, so you can add more content, you can create slides, create quiz, it's up to you. So these are more options depending on your preferences. Now, here you can select a start date. For example, that will happen around January 30th. Due date is around let's say February, 28th, and click the save button. If you wanted to put in an hour and minute, you can also do that. Thing is, you can also assign it to a class. I'm gonna do it right now. Click on the next button. If you don't have a class, it's okay. Now here, you can also have an answering attempts on how many tries students have for your assignment. You have the control to speed up videos if you want, or the accessibilities if you want to turn on closed caption. It's up to you. This is a matter of preference. Once you are happy, click the assign button. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to assign Edpuzzle here in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.